Right, hello to guys. I don't know if you can hear me properly or not, but today we got some model train Fairloo unboxing. It's mostly accessories, but you'll see what it's for when you see the wagons I've got on the side. One's already been done because I've actually found a new set of wheels, so I'll just show you the ones that I've got in here. Anyway, this is basically roughly what I got. This is basically the rough. We got 10 centenary masts for electric trains for a fiver. Now these were labelled as 550, but I managed to get them down to fiver because I bought these trappings with them as well, which I will now get out. The second item. So these were £1. This was 550, so he said £6. You can have them. I was like, oh, that's not bad. That's 50p off. That's not too bad. Here's our next item. A set of Hornby Bachmann and mainline couplings, mainly the mainline version of the couplings Bachmann did, for 150 for 10 of them. Because I checked, so there's 5 pairs in there again. Then there's 2 pairs in this one. Yeah, there's 2 pairs in this one. That's not bad for £1. And the last thing we got, because we couldn't find the switch today, was these some of these are the wheels that were in there, but obviously I've had to because I couldn't find what I did with the other ones, I just put in the ones that I was using. But basically these were on all 5 of those wagons that you can see now. Lima ones first I will do. Yeah, let's show you the completed wheel sets. But these were £1 again, and each, so I paid a fiver basically for 10 sets of wheels, or 5 pairs again, very handy, very good wheels. And these ones, I believe, are a mixture of Hornby and Lima. Yeah, these ones being these are the most unusual ones, because these are, although they look like Hornby wheels, I couldn't tell at first what make they were. And if I just get that in the camera shot, if I get it in the light, and you can't see very well, but there's a spoke pattern on these, which is why I wanted these ones, just to represent the older type wheels on certain wagons and rolling stock items that I have. Oh, this is a bit dusty. But yeah, these ones, actually, I found out that they freewheel on this one. Oh wait, I just realized, are they isolated or not? They're not insulated. They do not appear to be. Ooh, this might be a problem. Unless he's a double isolated. I'll try it. If I have to take these off, I take these off. Well, there's no pick. They're not going anywhere, so. And it's insulated from each other. The other wagons. Ah. Well, anyway, we know the Lima ones will be, so we'll just make sure that they're isolated on each side. Oh crap. That's the only problem. Oh, I think we need to swap these ones, because I think it's these ones we needed, not the... Yeah. Yeah, these ones fit this one better. The bearing... ah, crap. If I can even get these ones in, that would be nice. There's our completed wagons so far. The only one I'm concerned about now is that one there, because of the type of wheels that are there. On DCC it won't matter so much because it goes both ways, so there won't be any shorts in the DCC. So yeah, what I'm going to do though is see if I can get these to fit somewhere else, because I want the older style wheels here, just for the visual effect. There we go. There's our Weathered SC Scruffy wagon. It's set of custom weathered wheels. Anyway, this is going to be the end of the video, guys, so I will see you next time. Peace out. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Peace out. I'm out of here.